Oh my
He told
God,
us
what is
that
going
at 6
on,
a.m. he was
India?
woke up inadvertently and he was not allowed to speak to his lawyers. And then right now, we are showing you the live pictures where Arnab Goswami is now being taken to
This
Taloja
is
jail
going
from
on right now.
quarantine
They're taking
center.
him to
Live
Taloja, and
pictures
at last
coming in
public
where
spoke.
Arnab Goswami is now being taken to Taloja jail. He told us
Why
that
is it
his
telling
life is
life
under
is in
threat.
danger?
He was not allowed to get access from his lawyers. He was not allowed to meet to his lawyers. He told us that now his life is under threat. He was pushed. He was assaulted. He was pushed. He was assaulted. That's the big charge coming in. Big charge coming in by Arnab Goswami. Why? Why police is doing this? Why is being shifted to Taloja jail? Why it is happening a day before when tomorrow Bombay High Court is going to pronounce its verdict in this case? Why it is
Oh
happening
my
today?
God.
Remember, he was in quarantine center since the time he
These
was
guys are
arrested.
following
Right
him,
now, we
but
are
then
showing
they
you
got to talk to
these
him.
live pictures. You can clearly see that this van is completely covered.
This is really
with,
scaring me
black
right now.
sheets. But fortunately, we got a chance to speak to Arnab Goswami. He told us a very big charge has been made by Arnab Goswami on police that his life is under threat. What is the administration doing? Why it is happening? Why he was pushed? Why he was assaulted?
No, this is high time. This is high time. I think I'll have to go on Twitter right now
why is being taken to
and try to see
Taloja
what's
jail?
going on.
Why the government is not doing anything? Why it is happening? Why police is doing all these things? There are certainly
Why
big
will Uddar
questions
government
which
do? Uddar
needs
government
to be
is the
answered
one
at
who
this
is doing
moment.
all
But
this to
right now
him.
we are showing you the live pictures where Arnab is now being taken to Taloja jail
Oh
from quarantine
no,
center.
somebody has to do
He's now being
something.
taken
Oh my
to
God.
Taloja jail. We are showing you the live pictures where Arnab is now being taken to Taloja jail. You can see that particular vehicle, the first vehicle, they are we are once again trying to show you the live pictures of that particular
Please follow
convoy.
him. Please
The live
follow. Don't
pictures
let
of
him
this
go.
convoy. Arnab
Please
Goswami
follow. At
is
least we
sitting
know
there.
they're
He's
going to
sitting
the
there.
same jail,
If
or who knows,
Mahendra
it's
can
a
zoom
decoy
in,
and they're
if
taking him
Mahendra can
somewhere
zoom
else.
in, Arnab Goswami is there. Arnab Goswami is there. Mahendra can try to zoom in.
He's really struggling to talk to them.
There, he is there.
Oh, please be careful. These guys, they put their head in the
Pictures of
window.
Arnab
They'll do all
Goswami
that.
is
That's
sitting there.
dangerous.
आगे चलिए, लगाओ. चलो, साथ में लगाओ. Line. Arnab Goswami is now sitting there. We once again tried showing you the live pictures
But you know what?
of
Since
Arnab who
they're
is sitting
following
there.
him, that is why
Who
they
is
were
sitting
able to
there?
at least उसके पास
Who is
जाके
sitting
वो
there? You can.
जब
We'll once
रुका
again try
तो
to
वो
zoom.
एटलीस्ट
Once again we'll try to
कुछ
zoom
बोल पाया
and
कि
try to
उसका
show
लाइफ
you.
डेंजर में है
We will try
करके.
to show you. Mahendra can zoom in. Mahendra can try to show you the pictures of Arnab. How are you? Pictures of Arnab. Live pictures of Arnab. We are showing you the live pictures.
मानना पड़ेगा यार रिपब्लिक टीम को.
Live pictures of Arnab.
They are
You can see
really
live
like
picture.
following
Pictures
their
of Arnab
boss
who is
like
sitting
that.
there. Who is sitting there? He made big claims. He made big claims. धीरे चलिए.
It's so emotional for us. How emotional it's for
He
them.
has been assaulted. He was pushed. He was told he was woken up early in the morning at 6 a.m. 6 a.m. Now he's being shifted to Taloja jail. धीरे चलिए. She's shifted to Taloja jail. Mahendra is trying to show you the live pictures once again. Mahendra will zoom in. You see, he's saying he's making big claim. He's asking people of the country to be united, and he's asking them to help him. That's a big claim made by Arnab Goswami. His life is under threat. He made big claim.
My God, he just said help.
Also.
Oh.
When he was taken out from
Okay,
the
guys, I can't see this
quarantine
anymore. I think I'm going to
center,
go
we
look at
tried-
Twitter. At least try to see what's going on.
Has been allowed to speak to my lawyers. My life is under threat.
Okay, that is what he was saying.
To my lawyers, I was pushed and assaulted this morning at 6 o'clock. They woke me up. They said I will not let you speak to the lawyers. Please tell the people of the country my life is under threat.
Okay, so this was when they caught in the middle somewhere. That's when he told that. Okay, I'm going to go on Twitter right now.
रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ आज मैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट से रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ मुझे प्लीज बेल दीजिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट और सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को इंटरवीन करनी चाहिए मेरे साथ बहुत जुल्म हो रहा है आप लोग सब देख रहे हैं आप लोग देश आपके साथ है देश आपके साथ है आप गोस्वामी को सुन रहे थे आप
They got caught up with him again,
So
and now he's
you
telling
heard
Supreme
Arnab
Court.
Goswami there. Arnab Goswami saying my life is under threat. मेरी जान को खतरा है. My life is under threat. Arnab Goswami
This
is
should be
saying.
taken seriously, guys.
Arnab Goswami is saying
I've
his life
already
is under
tweeted,
threat.
I don't know how many tweets I
He's been
tweeted
shifted to the
everybody,
Taloja jail. He's en
tagging
route to the
PMO,
Taloja jail.
HMO,
And they
Amit
wanted
Shah,
to get
all
me
the
there
tags
last night.
necessary
They
I
wanted to get me
tagged,
here last night
because I
itself,
don't know
is
what else
Arnab
we can
said.
do.
He said that they won't let me speak to my lawyers. मुझे मेरे वकीलों से बात नहीं करने दी जा रही. When I said I want to speak to my lawyers, they beat me up. This is Arnab Goswami saying, because they're going on way to Taloja, and he's reached Taloja jail.
Whenever they're having like a traffic signal, ये लोग निकल के बात कर रहे
I would
हैं.
really want that the Supreme Court of India should take cognizance of this, because Arnab is saying I want the Supreme Court to help me. I want the Supreme Court to help me. You're seeing those visuals from Taloja jail, and this is where Arnab Goswami has been taken. This is where Arnab Goswami has been taken. Arnab Goswami said they have dragged me out of here. And they have taken me to Taloja.
Because if he is under judicial custody, they should not be taking him anywhere like that. That's why he's asking Supreme Court should help, because now they are going against the courts itself. इसीलिए मैंने भी ट्वीट किया है, क्योंकि ये महा गवर्नमेंट पेंगुइन्स, इनको पता है कि ये लोग अभी दे आर गोइंग टू गो डाउन, दे नो दैट, और ये चाहते हैं कि जाने से पहले कुछ करे. दैट इज व्हाई दिस इज ऑल गोइंग ऑन, एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई एम सो स्केयर्ड फॉर हिज लाइफ राइट नाउ, बिकॉज पता नहीं क्या वहाँ पे अंदर जेल में क्या होगा. यू नो, even if they don't kill him, they might just try to assault him, because they want their vengeance somehow or the other. They know they're going down and they're trying to take him down, क्योंकि उनको सबको पता है कि अर्नब स्टॉप नहीं करेगा. वो ऑलरेडी बोल चुका है, सुशांत सिंह का राजपूत का केस भी स्टॉप नहीं करेगा, कुछ भी स्टॉप नहीं करेगा, उनको पता है. उनको इसको एलिमिनेट करने के अलावा उनको और कोई ये नहीं सूझ रहा है. एंड सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, Amit Shah has to step in right now and do something to make sure he's going to be safe right now. They have to. And I've tweeted everybody, but I don't know what they're doing. Is BJP done a deal with his life? Who knows what is going on?
उनकी जान को खतरा है, और इसीलिए वो ये कह रहे हैं कि मेरे साथ न्याय किया जाए, मेरी बात सुनी जाए, और वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट से गुहार लगा रहे हैं कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट इस मामले में सामने आए, सुप्रीम कोर्ट मेरी मदद करे. अर्नब गोस्वामी ये कह रहे हैं. समझिए आप अर्नब गोस्वामी, जो साफ तौर पे कितना बड़ा अंदेशा जता रहे हैं. जिस तरह की मारपीट उनके साथ इस वक्त
पहले ही उनको बेल देने में क्या था, क्यों मंडे तक वेट करना है? आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दिस पीपल.
अब बहुत बड़ा खतरा इस बात का है कि उनकी,
इसका मतलब कुछ तो चल रहा है,
जिसका उन्होंने एक नहीं दो नहीं बल्कि कई बार जिक्र किया. आज लगातार वो यही कह रहे थे.
God, I can't look at him.
न्यायपालिका पर विश्वास है, न्यायपालिका को ही कुछ करना पड़ेगा. सुप्रीम कोर्ट को आगे आना होगा.
I already cried few times looking at him.
यही बात लगातार.
It's so sad to look at him just fight for justice and going through all this.
सच बोला.
I don't understand, what are they waiting for? What is central government waiting for? What is BJP, all these ministers waiting for? Are they waiting for it to be more sensational? Are they going to wait until he is dead?
सीजीएम कोर्ट ने पुलिस कस्टडी को रिजेक्ट कर दिया था, और उसके बाद सीजीएम कोर्ट ने,
इनको ये पता नहीं चल रहा है कि महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट क्या क्या कर रही है, अपने पेंगुइन्स को बचाने के लिए क्या क्या कर रही है और क्या कर सकते हैं इसके साथ. देख चुके हैं हम लोग ऑलरेडी कितने लोग मर गए हैं अभी.
हरीश साल्वे की ओर से कि ये जो डिटेंशन है ये इलीगल है, ये जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन
एक बेबी पेंगुइन की वजह से कितना हो रहा है.
अर्नब गोस्वामी को ये बातें रखी गई थी हरीश साल्वे की ओर से. और आज
So
का
mad
सबसे
right now.
बड़ा जो अपडेट है, सबसे बड़ा जो डेवलपमेंट है, वो ये है कि अर्नब गोस्वामी को तलोजा जेल शिफ्ट किया गया है. तलोजा जेल शिफ्ट किया गया है अलीबाग से.
I actually stopped the recording, went and tweeted tweets सबकी, मैं सबको फिर आके फिर से रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ ये, क्योंकि फॉलो कर रही हूँ लाइव का कंटिन्यूसली. आज तो मैं सोने वाली नहीं हूँ, मुझे नहीं लगता.
जो उन्होंने कही तलोजा
हमें तो यहाँ पे रात हो रहा है, बट मैं तो रात पर बैठ के देखने वाली हूँ अभी क्या होगा.
मैं चाहता चाहता हूँ कि
just
सुप्रीम
am
कोर्ट should help
praying
me.
that
मैं
nothing
आपको
happens
तपोजा
to
जेल के
him.
बाहर की
Okay, so Major Bakshi just tweeted that the center and Supreme Court must intervene now in Arnab's case before it is too late. Those criminals are in Taloja jail. He can't be made a Sarabjit. Supreme Court must take suo motu notice. It has been deliberately done on a Sunday, yes, because last Sunday it is deliberately done on a Sunday because they know that till Monday nothing is going to happen, right? The bail thing is not going to be coming till Monday, so they have tonight. That's the reason they're trying to move him. Like he said, they were trying to move him before itself, but he's fought it. He's told that I want to talk to my lawyer and all that. That's why they couldn't move him. And now looks like if they want to eliminate him, if the state has planned to eliminate him, because he's not going to stop for justice, they know that, so they are going down, they want to take him down, and they are thinking that the best place to do that would be jail, because they can use prisoners to do it. That is one way of doing it, because the prisoners are already inside, so that it won't matter. So it is a completely proper criminal planning, if that is what they're planning. And that is what I was scared of, because they are even going against the court orders and taking him out of judicial custody and taking him to the jail. That jail is where all the usually the terrorists and big criminals are kept. So why are they taking him to that jail? So I think that GD Bakshi is right. And that is what actually, even before GD Bakshi tweeted, I tweeted and tagged PMO, everybody, telling that please take his word seriously. If he's saying his life is in danger, then surely if the state government is going down, they are planned to do something with him. So they are not going to be scared of anything right now, because they have lost it. So these people need to take it seriously. I even replied to Ishkaran and all, because they are just like tweeting as though I hope he'll be fine till Monday and blah blah blah. He's not going to be fine. That's not the plan. If he himself is telling, it has to be taken seriously. Look at his state, the way he's talking and telling. He's literally begging with his hands folded right now, sitting in the van there. So I think they've taken him to the jail right now. So we just need to see what's going to happen. I've already sent like 20 tweets maybe, and I retweeted this also. But I am really scared right now, guys. Please just pray that Arnab is going to be fine and everything is going to be fine. Just pray. Let's see if they're showing anything else.
a state of emergency in the very heart of India. Maharashtra, we've been telling you how Arnab, we were there at the quarantine center where Arnab was kept, and whenever the lawyers went in to speak him, they weren't allowed, and this is exactly what Arnab is saying. I need to speak to my legal team. He should be allowed that legal recourse. He should be allowed that legal access.
I think the central government knows everything. I think they're just waiting for the right time to put the emergency. They're trying to wait for the right time to do it. But the thing is, these people are trying to do one by one things that if they don't step up right now, something will surely is going to happen to Arnab. So they really need to do it right now. They can't wait longer.